In the world of field service, whether you're managing repair crews, maintenance teams, or installation technicians, one thing is certain: poor dispatch planning can drain productivity and hurt customer satisfaction. Missed time windows, overbooked technicians, inefficient routes, and high fuel costs are everyday headaches. That's why we built NextBillion.ai's field service dispatch software to help you optimize technician schedules, minimize travel time, and deliver better on-site service. Let me show you how easy it is to go from scattered job requests to an optimized, dispatch-ready plan using our platform. First, upload your list of jobs, including service locations, time windows, estimated durations, and required technician skills. In this example, we're handling 4 types of jobs: installations, repairs, uninstallations, and replacements, each requiring technicians with the right skills to ensure the correct assignments. Next, bring in your fleet or technician details. You can specify each technician's shift hours, vehicle capacity, skills, and even regional assignments. This ensures the system matches the right jobs to the right people and vehicles. With all the data in, simply hit Run. Our advanced route optimization engine analyzes every constraint: technician availability, skill matching, location, traffic, to build the most efficient dispatch plan. Here's your optimized plan, visualized on an interactive map. You can see technician-specific routes, job sequences, expected arrival times, and total travel distance. When you're ready, you can export the plan in your preferred format or dispatch it directly to your fleet management or telematics system. We support easy integrations with platforms like Samsara, Geotab, Motive, and others. And that's how simple it is to transform your field service operations with NextBillion.ai field service dispatch software. Better routes, happier technicians, and delighted customers. Thanks for watching. To get started, reach out today, and we'll set you up with free trial access so you can see the difference yourself.